Today I'm going to be breaking down the single leg L-sit. Alright guys, so key points of performance. We're getting into one of my most fundamental core exercises, the L-sit, and today I'm going to be showing you a progression to get time under tension in the full L-sit, and that's by kicking the legs out one at a time. So a reminder, the full L-sit, whenever you're getting into the position, the lower the bars you have, the more difficult it's going to be. The higher your bars, or whether you're using boxes or stacking up a couple of dumbbells, whatever you're using, the higher the easier. So L-sit is whenever your legs are locked out in front, pointing your toes, and I want to have your toes above your hips. So something along the lines of this, not letting it drop here, hovering there. So full L-sit is pretty challenging to hold out in front. We're going to combine a tuck position here, and then incorporate single leg kickouts, holding it for a second or two so you get used to having time under tension in the full extended position. So it looks like this, tucked in tight. Notice my knees are together. Flex one leg, point the toe. It's a really awesome way to keep progressing for your full L-sit. Get after it.